Well, here in New Hampshire, we've been in a drought for like 6 years. It seems like even longer. I like mushrooms, and we have had nothing to pick from, it seems like, in the last bunch of years. This year, it seems like it's making up for all its lost water all at once. We have gotten so much rain. Every mushroom known to Earth is poking its head up, or will be soon. Today, we're going to gather up a few of my favorite black trumpets, and I've so sorely missed them. They're like chocolate. They're so good. I got a little patch right here, and we're going to harvest up a bunch of it. Yeah, there's a pretty good little assortment here. So what I do is paper bags are the greatest thing in the world. Well, baskets are nice, but if you don't have a basket, a paper bag works. And when you buy mushrooms at the store and they come wrapped in cellophane or whatever, plastic, first thing you want to do is take them out of that, put them in a paper bag, because they can breathe and they'll last a lot longer. So I just pinch them off, and before I put them in the bag, I kind of clean out the pine needles and trim off the dirty end. And try to pick them so that the little ones stay. And they're your seed stock for the next batch. I'm gonna leave those guys and move over here. This is a classic example. Great, beautiful. I like to find them like this in the mosses or coming up through the leaves, because that way when it rains, the splash from the rain doesn't get them all dirty.
Oh, it's this white one.
I don't know that one. I'd have to look it up. And that's the thing, you know, anybody that picks mushrooms should know this very well before they start. You don't mess around with things you don't know. I know these trumpets because there's no other mushroom that looks like them that is dangerous, you know, poison. These things they make my mouth water just looking at them. They're safe. That one, can't say. People who, you know, mycologists and people like that study mushrooms, they can tell between different toadstools and such. But if I don't know it, I don't pick it. So when in doubt, just leave it alone. You usually find them, I seem to always find them near stone walls for some reason, and in, you know, close proximity to oak trees. We have red oak trees here, and they seem to do the trick. But you'll find them out in the pines too. It sometimes can be pretty surprising when you find them. A toad! Toad! Leave some for the toad. These are dandies. Can show the yield. A lovely bunch of coconuts.
There we go, now I can see it.
One of the most fun things to do with black trumpets is to share them with a friend. And that's what we're doing here today. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can find our channel. Thanks.